what we're trying to do is to mount it as it is right now, okay?
Okay.
So what we intend to do is to align this pin, this whole thing, to align it with this, so that we just have to pull the pin out and just slide it in right there.
Okay.
You know, because it seems to be too heavy for the forklift.
Okay.
So
okay.
if we don't do that, then we have to use the excavator to take this, set it on the floor, which was quite safer. So that's what we intend to do right now. Let's get a chain, hook the chain to this, take the whole piece.
Careful, Mike.
Yeah, we just make it safe, you know.
Truly incredible.
Kinda looks like it's on there already.
For real.
Even the tire. The way it is designed is not going to affect the fittings because it's protecting it. You see the side there, but at least we can get it straight.
Okay.
Okay, right now just one vessel wrench.
Alright.
We don't need much tools right now.
Alright.
We're just losing this one. It should be big enough to take this knot, okay? And if you have a hammer, if you have a big hammer, like if you don't have some in my trunk,
Right.
you see, we might not even need a hammer. If you align it right, you just push it in.
Okay, but
So all that we need is to take this and then slide it
you
in.
have pressure right?
I should have some for this. I should.
Because you know, junkyard, everything is
Okay, so give us the breakdown. What's happened so far?
Alright, so my man Troy yesterday never showed back up.
Naturally.
Had to call the pro Mike out. I don't really like to call Mike out unless it's something that I really need help with, because he's just that type of person. He's super valuable, you know? But he'll always come out for me no matter what. I think I feel much more comfortable with him doing this. So we're gonna get the piece fitted on, and then after that we're gonna figure out the hydraulic situation to make the rotator work and the claw open and close.